Yes, Studio One users, Studio One 3. We have Studio One 4 Professional as the latest for this season, but I still prefer giving you my tutorials using Studio One 3 Professional. And those who are using the software, you should ascertain that it's a very stable software and really good. I love to put my workflow on this software, Studio One. And the other thing that we are enjoying about Studio One 3 Professional is that it takes you right from the production process into the mixing, into the mastering, and up to the production point, a feature which I rarely see on other production softwares. So if you're a commercial user of the product, you must be enjoying your workflow through the beginning of the captions up to the end user. And that's a very interesting part of this software. I'll take you through this short tutorial. I call it short, but it has the entire progress right from the captions of your audio signals and MIDI signals to the editing process, into the making your arrangement and mixing and mastering, and also publishing and sales, all included in this tutorial. So I want to take you through everything step by step so that you may understand how to use the software for the benefit of your studio. This is Javis Sounds. It's a home studio. What we are implementing here is just for home-based production. So there are some things that you probably want to see and you will not be able to see them. One thing that I need to show you first of all before I get on to Studio One 3 Professional, I would like to show you the devices that I'm going to be connecting to the software. Right on my left is an audio interface, the Bose BR800. For those of you who want to record quality sound, you're gonna have to go for this. It has very low noise and it's also powered with some custom effects. If you are a guitar player, you're gonna be enjoying the custom effects. And it's got also an onboard drum programmer. You'll be able to program your drums. The BR800 can be used as a control surface. These levels can be used to adjust many automations on the mixer of your software. And it's also a standalone. You can use it actually to play up to 8 tracks simultaneously. And you can also record 4 tracks simultaneously. Very powerful audio device for you to work with. And on this side, there's an audio box, a very common device from Presonus. I'm using it for my MIDI interface. I've connected a MIDI cable here and it's sending every MIDI signals to the Studio One 3 Professional. Those of you who have used this device before, you must have liked it because, well, it's metallic. That's one thing I love about it. It's very durable and it has low noise. It's also got phantom power for your condenser microphone. So I connected it basically because I want to use it to send MIDI signals to the app. And then right in front of me, I have the Roland Phantom X, and I'm going to be using it to play, to send my chords and my notes data to the software in the process of this tutorial. I prefer using Studio One on Mac OS because it's fast and it's quite easy to operate there. Right in front of me, I have the Samsung CO3, the condenser microphone. I like it because of its durability and also flexibility. It's a simple mic, very cheap. You're not going to have to spend many thousands of dollars on it.